Ready to pack your hospital bag? Let's talk about the things you are going to need. Hello learners and welcome back to Nurse Onyi Teaches. My name is Onyi and today I will be covering some of the essentials that you may need as you pack your bags for the hospital. For mom, you are going to need the following items. Make sure you pack at least 2 comfortable outfits. If you plan to breastfeed, it may be important to get tops and bottoms as opposed to a dress because a top will facilitate breastfeeding more than a dress. But there are retailers that offer dresses that help you nurse successfully to where you don't have to limit your wardrobe. You will also need to pack at least 2 comfortable nursing bras. Make sure you avoid bras that have underwire built into them. Underwires tend to be very constrictive. They may also press down on your milk glands, which will cause them to get clogged, and that hurts. If you do not plan to breastfeed, you also need to pack some bras, but make sure the bras you pack are those that can help you suppress lactation so that your breast does not make milk. For breastfeeding mothers, make sure you pack breast pads. They have options for disposable or reusable breast pads. There is a chance that you may leak in the hospital and you don't want that to show through your clothing if you don't have that additional support that a breast pad would provide you. You may also need to pack some nipple cream as you and your baby learn the breastfeeding process. If you are allergic to wool, you may want to avoid any lanolin-based nipple cream. So make sure you put these things in mind as you shop around for what nipple cream works best for you and your baby. You will also need to pack comfortable underwear. Make sure that they are cotton. You don't want to wear silk or lace or any other type of material that limits the breathability of your bowels following the birth of your baby. Make sure you pack some pairs of socks because hospitals tend to be cold. If you plan to walk, whether during labor or after you have given birth, pack some slippers or some house shoes to help you as you navigate the hospital area. You are also going to need to pack some basic toiletry items. These include your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your hairbrush. Some women will pack a little hair scrunchie to hold their hair up for when they are pushing or to keep their hair out of the way when they breastfeed or interact with their baby. Don't forget to pack your deodorant, your lotion, your body soap or body wash. Remember to pack shampoo and conditioner. You may also need to pack some skincare products if you choose to freshen up, look good, especially if you plan to take pictures with your baby. Don't forget to pack your cell phone, a charger for your cell phone because the facility where you deliver may not have the right charger for your device, so pack your own. Don't forget to pack a camera to capture lots and lots of memories. And then you can bring your iPad or other devices along that you feel are necessary to capture the birth of your baby. I had a mom once get a fantastic epidural and I would come in to check her. She made sure she downloaded and brought with her a good number of movies, and all she would do is just pause it, get her necessary assessment completed, and go right back into watching her movie. You have to understand that labor takes a while and you don't just want to be sitting there bored out of your mind while you are dealing with this pain. Watching movies can be a good distraction too as you manage labor pain. So make sure you have your devices fully charged and make sure you bring extra chargers for them. You may also want to bring a personal pillow or a blanket. If you plan to walk the hallways, pack yourself a robe. Hospital gowns tend to open in the back, and I know a lot of moms who are uncomfortable with that. Some facilities will allow you to actually bring your own hospital gown as long as it does not restrict their access to what they need completed. Keep in mind that as soon as baby is born, skin to skin is frequently recommended as it helps bonding. So if you are purchasing a gown, make sure it opens in the front where baby can be laid directly on your chest. Make sure you bring your driver's license, your health insurance card if that applies to you, and other pertinent documents you need to facilitate the birth of your baby. Don't forget to pack snacks. Some hospitals will allow you to suck on a hard piece of candy just to keep your mouth moist. And then after delivery, you may want to celebrate by having a little snack for yourself. And the hospital may not have vending machines to provide what you prefer. So make sure you pack just something small. You don't want to bring your entire pantry with you to the hospital. Couple of snacks to reward yourself for a job well done, and make sure that your support person also has something to munch on as they labor with you. For your baby, you are going to need the following items. You will need a swaddling blanket, a going home outfit, 2 to 3 layettes that the baby can wear in the hospital. If you plan to take pictures with your baby in the hospital, don't forget to pack this special outfit also. You're going to need to pack socks, 2 to 3 pairs, because they're not going anywhere. They won't soil them readily. Make sure you pack mittens. I've seen where moms also use socks as mittens just to prevent newborns from scratching their faces. So keep that in mind as you pack for your baby. You're also going to need to pack some hats to help keep your baby warm. And then you may need to pack pacifiers if that is something you plan to introduce to your child. If you deliver here in the United States, you do not need to purchase diapers or wipes to bring with you to the delivery. If you are based internationally, depending on whether your hospital provides these necessities, you may need to pack them or you may need to leave them at home. If your hospital does not provide diapers, wipes, or napkins for your baby, pack at least 8 per day that you plan to stay in the hospital. Newborns tend to pee and poop a lot, so you want to make sure you have enough and that you don't run out and have to go dealing with looking for some more. For breastfeeding mothers, hospitals here in the United States will provide you with a breast pump that you can use during your duration in the hospital. For those who live internationally or those who deliver at hospitals that do not provide breast pumps, make sure you source one out, and then make sure you pack milk bags so that you can store your milk. Hospitals should always have some kind of refrigeration. They can store your milk there, and make sure you label it, date it with your name, your baby's name, and the time that you pumped it so that you can use it in order. If your support person is going to be staying overnight with you, make sure that you also pack them a change of clothes, some clean underwear, socks, comfortable shoes, something to sleep in, and then basic toiletries such as their toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, and whatever they use for their skincare. Remember, following the birth of your baby, your hospital or birth facility may provide you with additional items that will help you as you transition into the care of yourself and your newborn. Packing light will help to ensure that you have the room necessary to pack these additional items as you prepare to transition from hospital care to home care. For your benefit, the next screen here will also have a typed out list of these items that were suggested during this video. I wish you a safe, happy, and healthy pregnancy. Until the next time.